Veloso Raptor. The outside gate, Crafty Memory. 10 in, they're at the post. There they go. Future Games put right on the early lead. Veloso Raptor drives up on the outside. It's Wild Top Cat in that leading group, as well as Turbocharged. 4 across the track as they go under the line now. Veloso Raptor on the outside grabs a short lead. Turbocharged. Future Games is trying to hold the inside. Wild Top Cat gets away in 4th, followed by Crafty Memory in 5th. Break of 4 now to Champagne Waltz going along in 6th. 3 for the back now. On the outside is Darren Got 20, followed by Bama. Then we have In Fine Fashion and Miss Warlady. Opening quarter, 22 and 1. Midway on the backstretch, and Future Games from the rail has now taken the lead. It's Future Games now by 2. Turbocharged second by a head. Veloso Raptor third. Crafty Memory at the rail in 4th by 3. Then Champagne Waltz and Darren Got 20. Half 46 and 2. 3/16 from home. Future Games with the lead. It is Turbocharged in pursuit. 3 lengths back is Veloso Raptor. Crafty Memory's got more to do as they turn for home. Future Games has the lead now by a length and a half. Turbocharged trying hard in second. Veloso Raptor. Bama's on the outside and Darren Got 20. Future Games wins it by 2.5. Turbocharged second, very close for third. Bama and Darren Got 20. Top 2 finishers in the 5th. Unofficial winner number 4, Future Games. Number 8, Turbocharged second. There is a photo for third. In the photo for third, number 5, Bama third, number 7, Darren Got 20 fourth. It is 4-8-5-7. Into the Carter GM winners enclosure, the winner of race 5, number 4, Future Games. She's owned and trained by Marianne Baumgartner, and the winning rider is Silvino Morales. Future Games is a 4-year-old filly by second in command out of Persevering, bred in BC by Robert Ferguson and Marianne Baumgartner. The 4-8 exacta was $71.20. $2 try, $485, $441.80. 20-cent super, $4,857. $297.63. Final running time, 1:21 and 71 hundredths.